Now we have already understand that a quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c. That is fx. Fx is also known as a y. So at c and d, it is coming out to be 0. Can I say c and d are the roots of fx? Because at c and d, now it is given at 4, it is 140, at minus 4, it is 60. Then what is c plus d? C plus d is the sum of the roots of the equation, sum of the root of the equation. So because here it is given as a small c, here also c, I consider ax square plus bx plus c, capital C is equal to 0, a quadratic equation. C and the d are the root of it, which is minus b by a. So it is already mentioned that the coefficient of x square is an integer. Coefficient of x square is an integer. So what is the possible value of c and d? So a is already an integer. This is integer. So what I do is I'll put first 4 here. At x is equal to minus 4, the equation will become 16a minus 4b plus c is equal to 0. At x is equal to 4, because there is one more value that is given, that is 16a plus 4b plus c is equal to 140. So I'm interested, I know a is integer, I'm interested in finding out b. I'll separate the first equation from the second equation. Sorry, here it was given as a 60. I'll separate this equation. Equation 1 is to be separated from second. That gives me 8b is equal to 80, or I'll say b is equal to how much? b will come out to be 10. So it is already known that b is 10, minus 10 by a is a value. So it is asking what is the possible value of c plus d. A is an integer. I can say it can be 1, it can be 2, it can be 3, it can be 4, it can be 5, and so on and so forth. So when a is coming out to be 2, this gives you minus 5. So either I'm going to get an integer which is a factor of 10. So I'll say when a is equal to 2, this gives me minus 5 can be my answer. But it cannot be minus 20 or 32. Why? Reason is when 10 divided by a value which is less than 1, then only it increases. So these two could not be my answer. My answer would be either minus 5 or 8. Is that fine? So 10 divided by some integer, is it possible that it gives you 8? No, impossible. That is the reason why the only one possible answer is there, which is minus 5.